Good morning po, ako po si Ella May Birilebo at ang topic ko po ay Systematic based on Evolutionary Relationship, Tree of Life and Systematics. Ang systematics ay pag-aaral ng dating ugnayan ng mga grupo ng mga organismo sa biolohiya at pagkilala at pag-unawa sa biodiversity. Layunin nito ang pagsusuri sa phylogeny at pag-aaral ng biological diversity sa konteksto ng evolution. Ang termo ng systematics ay nagmula sa Latinized na salitang Griego na sistema, na tumutukoy sa mga sistema ng classification ng mga sinaunang naturalista. Ang lahat daw po ng buhay sa Earth ay nagsimula mula sa isang karaniwang nuno na nagdulot ng karaniwang genetic ng mga katangian ng mga species. Ang prosesong evolution ay nagdulot ng pagbabago sa mga pagkakasunod-sunod ng DNA. Sa paglipas ng panahon at mas maraming pagkakaiba sa DNA ang naobserbahan sa pagitan ng mga species na matagal nang naghiwalay kaysa sa mga kamakailan lamang naghiwalay. Sa pamamagitan daw po ng pag-aaral ng ebidensya ng evolution, maaari nating hulaan ang mga ugnayan sa pagitan ng mga species. Ang pagkakatulad at pagkakaiba sa mga biomolecule tulad ng DNA at protein ay nagbibigay ng mga impormasyon sa atin kung gaano kamalapit ang kaugnayan ng mga organism sa isa't isa sa pamamagitan ng evolution. Molecular comparison. Molecular comparison involves analyzing DNA and protein sequences to understand similarities and differences between organisms. This method helps scientists infer evolutionary relationship and improve classification accuracy. Cytochrome C is a vital protein located in the inner mitochondrial membrane of the eukaryotic cells. It is crucial for the electron transport chain, aiding in the transfer of electrons between complexes 3 and 4 during aerobic respiration, which generates ATP, the cell's energy currency. Furthermore, cytochrome C plays a role in regulating apoptosis, serving as a signaling molecule in programmed cell death. Organisms that share similar physical traits and genomes are likely more closely related than those that don't. These similarities, known as homologous structures, arise from shared evolutionary patterns in development. For instance, bats and bird wings both have homologous bones, demonstrating their evolutionary connection. Analogous structures are body parts in different species that have similar function but evolve independently. Often due to similar environmental pressure, the structures are not evidence of a common ancestor but rather of convergent evolution. Ang homologous structures po ay mga biological na istruktura sa iba't ibang species na nagmula sa isang kaparehong pinagmulan at nagtataglay ng parehong basic na istruktura kahit na mayroong mga pagkakaiba sa anyo at function. Evolution in action refers to the ongoing process of biological change over time. Phylogeny, which is the evolutionary history and relationship of organisms, matters because it helps us understand the interconnectedness of life and how species have evolved and diversified over millions of years. Building phylogenetic trees involve constructing diagrams that represent the evolutionary relationship between different species or groups of organisms based on shared characteristics and genetic data. These trees illustrate the evolutionary history and branching patterns of species, providing insight into their common ancestry and evolutionary trajectories. Clades vary in size based on where their branch is referenced, with all organisms in clade tracing back to a single point on the evolutionary tree. Mono and phylum denote common evolutionary relationship. The diagram depicts clades emerging from a single point, while non-clade groups have branches with no shared origin.